what has happened. We can see that the gold has moved very significantly in the from the previous week, and also the price has started this week here. After the price has made a breakout to the upside, has returned back down, testing this previous resistance, now acting as a support, and the price has moved significantly up, even going above this great, you can see it here, a great resistance and supply zone. The price has made a breakout, returned back down, testing as a support now, and again moving to the next one, which is also a strong one, resistance and supply zone. Now the price has returned back down and closed here. Based on this one, we can see that inside the trading community, I have mentioned what is the entry idea. It was 1907, and also the take profit was 1928. This one was very good. The price has returned up to 1907.77 and then gone up, which has also triggered a take profit, which is very good a trade. Now, based on this one, we can see how the weekly looks. We can see that the price has gone outside of this downtrend channel. The price has made a breakout on the weekly, tested this one acting as a support, and stopped it at here. We can see also a very strong, important supply zone and also the resistance. Now we can see also the monthly time frame, how this looks. We can see the monthly time frame shows us that this is a very strong, a bullish engulfing candle, but we have one more week until this month ends. So it will be very interesting and also very important to see how this week will end, because even though currently this candle is bullish engulfing candle, which is suggesting that the price will continue to move up, it is very important to see how the week ends, because there is a possibility that the price could reverse back down and, for example, close it here, which will not be anymore an engulfing bullish candle. So for now, we need to see how the month ends. As it looks right now, very important levels are this one. For the for the monthly time frame is this one, 1990. We can round this number. If it goes above, this will suggest there is a possibility and very likely that the price will continue to move up. Below that, very important level on the monthly time frame is this one here, which is 1916, and below that is 1848. Well, let's go to the weekly time frame and see how this looks. Very important level, we can see it here, it is 1990, which is visible here, which is just above this supply zone and also a resistance level. We can see how this looks. If the week ends above that, it will be a great signal also for the price that it will continue to move up. If the price goes above, closes above 1990, this will mean on the monthly time frame, but on the weekly we can see very important levels is this one here, which is 2007, a price level that needs to be broken to the upside in order to the price to continue to move up. Below that, very important level is this one here, we can see it here, 1961, very important level, and then below that is around this one here, which is 1916, also visible on the monthly time frame. So these are also very critical levels. Now let's get to the daily, how this looks, and also what are the critical levels. What is good that the price has gone outside of this downtrend channel. This means that the price could find even more and great support and even more demand zone, which means pushing the price on higher price levels. Now, a very important level is this one here, which needs to be broken to the upside on the daily time frame and then confirmed by returning back down and bouncing back up. This will be a great signal for the price in order to continue to move even more up. This is a little bit bigger picture how this looks. You can see that there is a possibility that the price could go up, reaching this price level. It was very close. The price has reached at this one. You can see it here, and then the price has reversed back down, which could also happen in this case. Then there is a possibility that the price will bounce from this and continue to move up. So very critical level for the price on the daily time frame is this one here, 1989, which is also 1990. We can see it here, very important level in the past, also visible here. So the price needs to break above and confirm this breakout in order to continue to move up. For the lower side, lower price levels, we can see that the very important levels are this one. Just a minute. Let's see it here. It's very important level here, around 1973. We can see it here. It is also this resistance and also this supply zone where the sellers are. Below that, where the price could stop, is this one here, around 1954 price level, and the price needs to break below 1940 in order to return back down. 1916 is very important level on the monthly time frame. This is visible here, but on the daily time frame it is below this one. It is below 1900. So we can see very important levels for the weekly, monthly and also daily time frame are visible here. I will share my trading idea for the next week with the entry, stop loss and take profit inside trading community. So if you would like to check it, you can join, and also we can talk about the idea. Now let's go to the XAUUSD and see how this looks. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.